Ideal, let's go.
Okay. The coast is clear. Now's our chance to scare everyone in the Beyond City. Ha ha ha.
Are you ready to explore?
Weather warning. The County Weather Service has issued a warning for a meteorological event. This warning is effective immediately and continues until sunrise tomorrow morning. Citizens are advised not to observe this event with the naked eye. Civil danger alert. The County Weather Service has issued the following correction for the weather warning in effect. For your safety, remain indoors. Do not look at the night sky. More information to follow. The meteorological event is safe for all to view. Warning has been lifted. Go outside now.
What?